If you've been thinking about trading in those cold winters for year-round sunshine, you're going to love what I'm about to show you. Today we're exploring one of Vero Beach's newest coastal communities that combines new construction living with that laid-back, small-town beach vibe that makes this area so special. I'm going to show you what makes these homes stand out, why this location is perfect for anyone relocating to Florida, and how close you'll be to everything, from the beach to dining to that relaxed Florida lifestyle that everyone's talking about. By the way, I help people just like you every week who want to make the right move here in Vero Beach, and I'd love to help you too. The best way to reach me is by calling, texting, or emailing me, so I'll put my info up on the screen now, or you can also click the link in the description to book a private call with me. So the home we are walking up to now is the builder's most customizable and most popular model. It's shown here as a 3-bedroom plus a den and 3 full bathrooms, but if you don't need the extra space, you can also get more storage in the garage instead. They bumped out the great room to be even larger and designed this home with just over 2,200 square feet under air, with a 2-car garage and a lanai out back with plenty of backyard space for your very own private pool. The gas kitchen has that gourmet configuration with a ventilation hood and built-in appliances, giving the home a more refined look. And there are still at least 10 lots left to build on and a few more homes that will be move-in ready in time for season. And where we are today in Vero Beach is in a new coastal community that is nearly sold out and is only 5-6 minutes from Oceanside on the island and 5-6 minutes from downtown Vero Beach. It is the perfect location. You'll find so many different restaurants and boutique shops, art, boating, golf, anything you could want, you can find while still having that small town, old Florida feel. The community itself has a lower HOA than most other communities, under $400 a month, which takes care of landscaping and internet with your very own private clubhouse, and there is no CDD. We also have lower taxes in Vero and no state income tax if you're coming from up north. Thinking about making a move to Vero Beach, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or just looking for that year-round sunshine, I'd love to be your local guide. I help people just like you every single week, specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here on the Treasure Coast. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your relocation and new construction expert, and let's work together to find your dream home. If you've been thinking about leaving those cold winters behind and starting your new chapter here in Florida, Vero Beach might just be exactly what you've been looking for. I help people just like you every single week make the move to the Treasure Coast, so whether you're relocating full-time or just looking for your winter getaway. So if you're ready to take the next step, reach out anytime, call, text, or email me using the info I put on the screen now, or you can click the link in the description to schedule a private call.